Hello, darlings. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. I'm back with my content today, and today's content is actually connecting video for about the last week video because I can't able to explain two more tests in that particular time. So that is the reason I'm doing today, and so interesting two tests are available for you. Okay, so these are also very simple. Okay, you can easily implement these tests in order to know your undertone. Okay, so how to know your undertone so that you can accessorize well, you can have good colors according to that undertone. So these are the things I'm going to cover today. Okay, so let's start. Okay, and so today I'm going to explain you simple three tests to follow in order to know your undertone. Okay, so number one, what is in the previous video I covered about vein test, right? If you are not follow that particular video, I have given the link in the description box. Please go through it and know about your vein test. Okay, so that is the basic test, and if you are not able to find out your undertone means no problem, this video is for you. And in this video, definitely by the end of the video, you will definitely know about your undertone, right? Are you with me? Thank you. And coming to the test number two, what is the test? Number one is vein test, and number two is simple. You have your silver jewelry, right? And you can also have, and most of the people used to have silver jewelry, gold jewelry. Nowadays, oxidized jewelry also available. Okay, so if silver jewelry is suitable for you, means that means silver studs, silver pendants, silver anklets, silver watch, like that. So if silver jewelry is suitable for you, means that means you have cool undertone. Okay, coming to the second point, that is, if you have warm undertone means gold is suitable for you. Okay, that means gold jewelry, gold bangles, gold long pendant chains, gold accessories, like that, like this. For example, so these are the gold things. Okay, so these type of gold jewelry is basically suitable for you, means that means you have warm undertone. Okay, if both silver and gold are suitable for you, means that means you have neutral undertone. Okay, so this is the second test. And coming to the third test, it is very easy, guys. That is, are you having any white t-shirt or any white total white dress? I need total white dress. Okay, so if you if you wear, that means if you wear any white dress or white t-shirt or white top, okay, so that means it the complexion of your face becomes lighter, brighter, means that means you have cool undertone. Okay, if it becomes yellow shade, that means you have warm undertone. Okay, so this is the second cool test in order to know your undertone. And coming to the third one, if you are not able to find with white t-shirt also or any white dress also, no problem, I have another test for you. That is, you can also wear brown and black. Okay, if brown is suitable for you, that means you have warm undertone. If black is suitable for you, that means you have cool undertone. So that is the thing, guys. So these are the three what to say a basic tests about in order to know better undertone. Okay, so go to the wine test. If you are not able to find out, means no problem, you can go for silver or gold accessory. And if you are not able to find out in that also, you can absolutely go for white, brown, black. Okay, so this is the ultimate test, and you can absolutely find out your undertone. I promise you, definitely you will able to find out your undertone. Okay, because undertone is very very important in order to know the basic makeup. What depends on the undertone, we have several techniques of makeups also. So that is the reason I am giving this video in order to know your undertone. Okay, so if you're someone who are very eager to know these type of undertones and you are able to find your undertone means, please give me in the comment box. Okay, so I'm going to vote for the best undertone, so I'm going to give a special video for the most of the undertone. Okay, so that is the gift I'm going to give by the next week. Okay, so if you like this video, sorry, if you found this video useful, please like, share and comment, and get to know about styling. Okay, so happy learning, happy styling. Thank you so much for watching me.